Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Few hours to go for the results of Delhi elections, and ahead of that we have seen Operation Lotus charge by the Aam Aadmi Party against the BJP, and amidst all of this we are learning of an emergency meeting that was called within the Aam Aadmi Party camp, and we are learning that Arvind Kejriwal has reportedly told his party members that they should ignore the poaching calls. His message to MLAs is beware of the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP, as per Arvind Kejriwal, may disrupt the results. Let's go across to my colleague Tejshri getting us this information. Tejshri, over to you. Give us more details of this important meeting that happened.
Well, absolutely. This meeting started at 11:30 at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and in fact, several MLAs, what we are getting to know is that several MLAs, that number is approximately 15, who raised this issue of getting, calls from the BJP, and in fact, they said that they also have the screenshot of the calls that they got, to which Arvind Kejriwal said that they should not distract themselves from if they are getting such calls, but should only focus on tomorrow's agenda of the polling result. And not just that, but he also emphasized that and told the MLAs that in fact they should focus on those booths where the margin is low, because BJP could manipulate the voting, but the result pattern on the basis of the low, at the polling booths where the counting is low, or in fact where this particular number is low. So that is why the emphasis should be on that, and in fact they should ignore the calls even if they are getting the calls from the BJP, and in fact the 15 MLAs raised this issue of getting the calls. So now further we'll have to see that what happens next. High drama is already unfolding at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, but yes, MLAs have been told that they should ignore the calls, they should not pay attention on these calls, and all they should focus on tomorrow's election. I have also highlighted that BJP could manipulate the election result. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Tejshri, for the moment, for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story from the national capital. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more on the story. Don't go anywhere.